Hey guys, welcome back to Design Engineer Studio. And in today's video, I want to share with you these cool features in your photo editing application, Snapseed. So there's an introduction to Snapseed already, so you can check the description box. So the video right there, and check the video right there. But there's a cool features in the Snapseed application. You can just go and update your application right now. So you can see this so much editing I've added to this design now. But one thing you notice that when you open a new tab, you can only access it on your last edit below right here. But when you open a new tab, like you see that probably it is gone, or the previous one, some of the templates you've actually enhanced that you really love the quality, you can use them multiple times. So how do you go about that? So you just need to scroll down right here, and you can see after this black and white, you can see shielded. So you can see my own new template right here. So this you can see green effects. I just name them whichever name. You can see the plus icon right here. So let's say I'm done with this editing right here, so I just click on this check mark, and to save the template you just need to click on this plus icon and you give it a name. So then you save it. So whenever you are coming back to your PixArt, then you can actually use this template for yourself. So, and if you want to remove any template, you can just click on these three dots at the right hand side here, and you check the one you are deleting, and you can delete them. So, and you are good to go. That's a new features on Snapseed right here that you can go and check out. So if you are new, remember to subscribe, and I'll be sharing with you helpful tips and tricks in design. So I see you guys another time. Peace.